Welcome to Inventor Camp Professor. I'm Sydney, your Inventor Camp Professor, with one of hundreds of online video tutorials available free at www.inventorcamp.com 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll show the new and easy way how to create shape tools and holders. If we go into our shape tools area, we used to have to create a shape tool by doing a sketch and making this sketch according to the shape of the tool that we wanted. Today, we've made it a lot easier with new icons. For example, if I want to add a new shape tool, all I have to do is right-click, say Add, and then we have all these different shapes on the right-hand side. For example, if I want to start with taking a cylinder, I'll take the cylinder shape and just click on it. And as you can see, we now have created a cylinder as part of our tool with the values on the bottom. Now, if I want to continue, say at the bottom of the tool, to create another shape, all I do is right-click on the shape itself, and I can either add above or below. And since I said I want to add below, I'll click on Add Shape Below, and I'll take, in this particular case, a torus of this sort, creating a tool like this. Now, if I want to continue and add another shape, again, just do the same thing, right-click, Add Shape Below, and I'll click this time on Cylinder again. Now, all I have to do is edit the dimension. For example, if I want to have the cylinder that I had here on the bottom, say I'll have it at a diameter of 15 millimeters, I'll put in the value of 15. And if I want, I can have the height, let's say, for example, at 1 millimeter. Note, the shape will start changing in a few moments. As if I go now into my torus, I'll have my top diameter, leave that at 20. My radius, I'll put that at, say, 2.5 millimeters. And now I have this shape over here. I can go to my top shape and change my height over here to, say, a total of 10 millimeters. Now, if I want to add another shape to the very top of this, no problem with doing that. Just right-click, Add Shape, this time above. Again, I'll add a cylinder, and my diameter for the cylinder itself would be, let's say, 12 millimeters. As you can see, I've added now a new shape tool just by using the icons on the right-hand side. For more Inventor Camp Professor tutorials, please go to our website, www.inventorcamp.com, and look under the tab called Inventor Camp Professor. Thank you for joining us on Inventor Camp Professor. Take care and have a nice day.